Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best Casio keyboard is probably one of the most versatile musical instruments you can own, perfect for beginners and seasoned musicians alike. Whether you're looking to learn piano, compose music, or simply enjoy playing, this keyboard offers a fantastic blend of features, sound quality, and portability. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this keyboard stand out, exploring its key features and helping you decide if it's the right fit for your musical journey. Number 5. Casio CT-S200RD61 Key Portable Keyboard. This Casio CT-S200 is designed for beginners and up. It's ultra-portable with a built-in handle, and can be battery-powered for music anywhere, making learning fun. It features 61 full-size keys, an easy-to-read LCD display, and intuitive controls. You can quickly access your favorite sounds with ease. Explore a wide variety of tones and rhythm styles. It also includes 10 reverb types, and a library of 60 built-in songs for you to enjoy. Create and remix EDM tracks live. You can trigger drums, bass lines, synths, and effects right from the keys. With USB MIDI and audio input, it helps you grow your skills. You can use the built-in speakers to share with friends, or plug in headphones for quiet play. The 1.8 audio input lets you play along with music from your favorite device. What we like. This keyboard is designed with beginners in mind, featuring intuitive controls and a portable design. It also has a dance music mode, allowing you to create and remix EDM tracks. If you are just starting your musical journey or looking for a fun way to explore music creation, this is a great choice. What people say. The keys feel great and the sound quality is excellent. The piano has a wide variety of sounds and features. The keyboard is easy to set up and use. Number 4. Best Choice 88-Key Digital Piano. This full-size digital piano features 88 semi-weighted keys, making it ideal for musicians of all levels. It provides a realistic playing experience, perfect for honing your skills. The included detachable sustain pedal allows for damper-free sound adjustment. This feature enables you to create notes that fade gradually or stop abruptly, adding depth to your music. The set comes with a compact folding stand and a music stand. The stand offers a stable base for practice or performance, while the music stand helps you maintain good posture while reading your score. Explore a variety of sounds with 6 different instrument settings. You can easily switch between piano styles, organ, harpsichord, and more, expanding your musical creativity. Enjoy a rich sound with the built-in high-quality digital speakers. It also has media connectivity, allowing you to connect to your favorite devices. What we like. This digital piano offers a full-size experience with its 88 semi-weighted keys, providing a realistic feel for aspiring musicians. It includes a sustain pedal for nuanced expression. If you are looking for a piano that offers a comprehensive playing experience without taking up too much space, this is perfect for you. What people say. The keys feel great and the piano sounds are very good. The keyboard has a nice weighted feel. The keyboard is easy to set up and use. Number 3. Casio SA81 Compact Keyboard for Beginners. This Casio keyboard features 44 mini keys, designed for easy playability. It's perfect for beginners and younger players, providing comfort while they learn and practice. This design is ideal for those starting their musical journey. It comes with 100 realistic tones, including piano, organ, and percussion sounds. Each tone is sampled from actual instruments, offering a genuine touch-to-sound connection. This inspires musical exploration. The keyboard offers 50 rhythm patterns, covering genres like pop and dance. It also includes 10 built-in songs, such as Ode to Joy. You can play along or mute the melody to practice your skills. Enhance your playing with layer mode, sustain function, and octave shift. You can also customize the sound with 16 scale tunings and reverb effects. This is perfect for creating personalized music. Weighing just 3 pounds, this keyboard is lightweight and portable. It's perfect for home, school, or travel. It can be powered by batteries or an AC adapter, making it ideal for on-the-go musicians. What we like. This compact keyboard is perfect for beginners with its 44 mini keys, making it easy for small hands to play. It's also lightweight and portable, ideal for music practice on the go. If you like a keyboard that's easy to carry around and fun to play, this is the one for you. What people say. Has all the best features if you're looking to start your little one on their musical journey. The features are fun and the sound is very good. It has sounds on it to fit the most popular songs. Drummer preset songs, great tool for recording on a digital recorder audio output. Number 2. Casio CT-X761 Key Keyboard. Discover a vast sound library with over 600 tones and 195 rhythms. This keyboard offers everything from classic piano sounds to modern synth beats. It's perfect for any musical style. Experience premium sound quality with the advanced IK sound source. It delivers lifelike instrument tones, complete with natural nuances. You'll get professional level sound at an affordable price. The built-in lesson system and 100 songs make learning fun and accessible. The backlit display guides you, and the MIDI recorder lets you capture your musical ideas. It's all about making music simple. Weighing under 10 pounds, it's incredibly portable. Its durable design can withstand everyday use, and the optional battery power gives you the freedom to play anywhere. Take it with you wherever you go. With USB MIDI connectivity, you can easily connect to your devices. Enhance your music creation with your favorite apps. The built-in music rest and smartphone shelf make it even more convenient. Casio has been a leader in keyboard innovation for over 4 decades. This instrument offers a balance of style, performance, and value, trusted by musicians of all levels. Casio is with you every step of the way. What we like. The CT-X700 features an IK sound engine, delivering unmatched audio clarity and realistic instrument tones. It also has an integrated lesson system to help you learn and practice. If you are a musician looking for a wide range of sounds and a tool to improve your skills, this keyboard is an excellent choice. What people say. The keys feel great and the piano sounds are very good. The keyboard is lightweight and portable. It has a variety of instrument sounds and rhythms. Number 1. Casio PX870 Privia Digital Piano Black Bundle. This digital piano features 88 scaled, weighted hammer action keys. The keys have simulated ebony and ivory textures, providing a realistic playing experience. It feels just like playing a real piano. The piano has a new piano sound with detailed resonance. It also includes 18 additional tones. This delivers exceptional sound quality for every performance. The piano has a powerful 4-speaker sound projection system. This fills your space with rich, dynamic audio. It creates an immersive listening experience. This piano includes recording, practice, and performance tools. It is in a stylish, modern wooden cabinet with a sliding key cover. It perfectly blends with any decor. This bundle comes with everything you need to get started. It includes a furniture bench, headphones, an instructional book, online lessons, an instructional DVD, and a polishing cloth. You'll have everything you need in one box. What we like. This digital piano provides an authentic key feel with its 88 scaled, weighted hammer action keys. It also offers stunning sound quality with detailed resonance. If you are looking for a realistic piano experience with a rich and dynamic sound, you should consider this one. What people say. The keys feel great and the piano sounds are very good. The keyboard has a nice weighted feel. The stand is sturdy and easy to assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.